Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a message while streaming on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to enable notifications on Discord Web while using streamer mode on your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started by opening Discord in your browser. Head to discord.com and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon right next to your username. This is your user settings. Click on it to open up all your Discord preferences. Now, in the menu on the left, scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it and you'll enter the Streamer Mode settings page. Streamer mode is designed to keep your private info safe while streaming, but by default, it can also block notifications from popping up, sometimes a little too well. Here's the key step. Inside the streamer mode settings, look for the option that says Disable Notifications. If this is turned on, Discord will block all notifications while you're streaming. To make sure you still get your alerts, simply toggle this setting off. This will allow notifications to come through even when streamer mode is active, so you won't miss important messages or updates while you're live. Double-check your browser's notification permissions as well. Click the padlock or info icon next to the web address at the top of your browser. Go to Site Settings and make sure notifications are set to Allow. This ensures your computer itself isn't blocking Discord notifications. That's it! By following these steps, you'll keep your notifications active and stay connected with your community while streaming, all without exposing any sensitive information. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your stream and stay in the loop with every message that matters.